Okay, this one says order the following numbers on a number line from least to greatest. Well, you know what, guys? I have to sort of do the same thing with example 3 that I did with example 2. I need to change these things into their decimal form. So 5/3 is approximately, I'm just going to get some approximation here. So 5 divided by 3 is 1.6 repeating. Okay. Negative 2.7, well that's in its decimal form. Okay, negative 2.7. Square root 5 is approximately, because it's the square root of a whole number and it doesn't come out to a whole number, so it's got to be an approximation. It's not anything exact. It's 2.236. And then the last one here is negative root 6. So if I know what the square root of 6 is, and it's just the negative of it. So negative root 6 is approximately negative 2.449. Okay, so on my number line, you know, I'm doing this from least to greatest, obviously, because number line reads left to right as least to greatest. Okay, let's see. I need to draw a line. That should let me draw a line. Okay, there we go. There's our line. And now I'm going to put 0 here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, Bueller, Bueller. Okay, now the smallest number I have is negative 2.7, so I'm going to put that about right here. It's an approximation, so negative 2.7. Negative 2.7. Good. And then the next smallest number I have is negative 2.449. Okay, but I want to write down what they gave me, so I'm going to put that as negative square root 6. I don't want to give the decimal approximation because that's not what they gave me. Now the next smallest number is going to be 5/3, right? Because it's 1.6 repeating. So 5/3 is about right here, right? 5/3. And then my last one is 2.236. And that's going to, I'm sorry, square root 5, which is going to be about right here. So root 5. Do you see how I changed them all to decimals so I can compare them? And then it also helps graphing too, because 5/3, I may not know exactly where, but 1.6, that's pretty easy to figure out. Okay? All right. So, pretty easy. Nice job. See you at the last example. You guys are working with these irrational numbers. Here we go.